In this video, we'll show you how to put a project on an existing client portal. Now, this is for clients who have more than one project, like say a main house and a guest house, or a main house and a vacation house, and something like that. So, for example, this project right here, we have a client portal for it. We haven't published anything to it yet, but this is already on a client portal. This is the designer's view of the client portal for this Atkins Linux house. So now let's go back. And let's say we want to add this Ansley Park house to the same client portal so the client can log in only once and see both projects. So we're going to go to the dashboard for the other project, and we're going to click Client Portal. And since it's not on one, it's going to give us a choice to make a new client portal for it or to add it to an existing client portal. We're going to choose Add to Existing. And here it's going to ask you to select the client portal that you want to add it to, and we're going to add it to this Linux house client portal that we just created in another video. We're going to click Update. And now you can see both of these projects are on the same client portal. This way you can actually focus on putting all the different proposals and items and calendar events from both projects into the same place for the client. And the client, when they log in, they will see both projects' information in their client portal, so they don't have to log in two different places.